here. I'm Swiss.
Yeah. We are the foreigner here. You are a local here, right?
Yes, exactly.
So you are a Swish. Swish.
So, ang pangalan niya is Cheese.
Cheese Swish. Yeah.
Next.
Are you a Swiss?
Palaman?
What call people in Switzerland?
Swiss.
Swish. Sweeter. Sweeter. So, you speak English, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, you want us to speak English?
At least if you speak to me, yeah.
Okay, it costs you a lot.
Ano?
Gusto niyo raw mag-English tayo?
No. I think
Please understand English. Yeah.
Ano?
Yung yeah.
Sir Martin.
Sir Martin.
Sir Martin, no. Yes, sir. I'm talking to you. You understand English?
Do you know her? She's famous in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And the most, she is awarded in the Southeast Asia as the best blow chopper.
No, sir. No, don't mind that. We're just kidding. I'm sorry. Hey, Sir Martin. Hey, Sir Martin. We're just kidding. Okay? Don't believe that bitch. Okay? So, but if you want to try, you can try me. Okay? So, it's up to you to say if I am very good in that. Okay?
O, sandali, ate. Isa-isa mo lang. Zoom naman doon. Sir, nice to meet you and
enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you for coming. Did you come?
are you coming?
Because we're coming.
Yes.
Here.
So let's come.
Yeah. Okay.
So for you to understand, sir, because we cannot promise that we can speak English because my English is only for 2 minutes. And after that, I will die. So observe these people. If these people laughing, you laugh, okay? If you see them clapping, you clap, okay? If you see them running, oh my God, there's a fire, okay? But our place is very safe. In case of emergency, don't be panic because there's a lot of fire exit there. If there's a fire, don't panic. Let the fire
Exit. Yeah. Because that is the fire exit. It's not the human exit. Okay? Be mindful